How to log in Hotmail using phone number. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. In order to log in Hotmail using phone number, you need to first go to the site of Hotmail. For that, you can open up your any browser. Here I am with Google Chrome. After that, in the search bar, you have to type in search for hotmail.com. Once you search for that, you will be taken to the official web page of Hotmail or Outlook. So you have to simply tap on sign in option in the right upper corner. And in this section, you will be able to see the text box where you have to enter your either email, phone or Skype. Since we are trying to log in with phone number, you have to tap and enter your phone number. After entering, simply go for next, and after that you need to enter your password over here. If you forgot your password and want to reset it, then you can go for forget password option. If you want to get code and email address and want to reset the password, then you can also go for that. And after entering the password, you can see my account has been logged in. So this is how you log in Hotmail using phone number. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions on any topics, then don't hesitate to comment down below and let us know. Thanks for watching.